What's up, Black family? This is my first non-toy drone. This is the original battery. I put number 1 on it, and I bought 2 extra batteries with this. This is battery 2. Now look how this thing is blown up. See that? I can't even fit this in to the drone anymore. It's blown up to the point, and battery number 3 was worse than this. I threw it away because it looked like it was about to catch fire. It's hot as hell to the touch, and then when I was able to get this one out of the bird, it expanded like this. So I don't know what Fimi doing, but the original battery I'm not having a problem with. It's cycled about 10 flights with this battery, but I was only able to get 2 uses out of battery 2 and 3, and I think that's real bullshit. For as much as I paid for this drone a year and a half ago. Yeah, this isn't supposed to happen. That's real piss poor engineering.